Well, I'd recommend that you take your time first. Get to know the building, get to know the occupants, and then try to figure out what their needs are, and then determine where you set. Are you at ground zero where you know exactly how every room is and how it appears? Is it clean? Get it to ground zero and then build from there. And with every day, just try to improve upon it and just improve upon it and continue to work in that fashion. And then as soon as you figure out your maintenance posture, where am I? Am I doing preventive maintenance or am I not? Because some school districts that are out there are going to get a new facility manager this year. And when they get that facility manager, their maintenance posture could be awesome. They could be doing everything right, tracking everything right, and they could be doing it on a spreadsheet or on a piece of paper. They could possibly be doing it. Figure out what your maintenance posture is and then determine what's best for you.